Care for Mother Earth. The earth is our home. We care for our homes by keeping them clean. So, how do we keep our earth clean? We first have to deal with our waste in a wise way. Waste is everything that we can't use. We throw it away, like plastic bottles, soda cans, tins, banana peels, vegetable peels, etc., are all waste. What happens to our waste? Some things like banana peels and vegetable peels break down. They become part of the earth again. They get decomposed. We call them biodegradable waste. Apple cores, orange peels, and rotten tomatoes all break down easily and quickly. The tins, soda cans, plastic bottles, and bags are non biodegradable. It takes a long time for them to break down. Metals, plastics are non biodegradable. Thermocol cups and plates, rubber balls, glass jar take a long time as well. These non biodegradable things can spoil our soil and water. They can harm animals and people. They pile up and take a long time to go away. In that time, they can poison the ground and water. They can make us sick. So, what can we do about them? There are three things we can do about them. That is, follow the three R's. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let us see the first R. Reduce. Reduce means to make less. We can use less of the things that don't break down easily and quickly. We can borrow something we need for a short time. We don't have to buy it. We can walk or take a public transport to travel. We can use regular plates and cups. We can avoid paper and plastic ones. We can use our own shopping bags and avoid plastic bags, as plastic bags take 100 years to break down. Now, let us move to the second R, that is reuse. Reuse means to use again. We can fix things instead of throwing them away. If we are using something, we can always give it to someone else. We can give away our old toys and clothes. Cans, boxes, plastic containers can be reused. We can use them to keep things in. We can put our lunch in containers and not in plastic bags. Third R is of recycle. It means to use something old to make something new. Old cans make new cans. Old papers make new papers. Old plastic makes new toys. We can buy things that are made of recycled materials. Let us now segregate or sort out items in their suitable containers and bins. Recycling bin, the trash can, and the compost bin. The rotten fruits and tomato peels should be put in compost bin. Diapers and pen goes in the trash can, and the newspaper, bottle and soda can goes in the recycle bin. Followed, children? Yes. There are other ways to take care of our earth. We can save our natural resources. These are the things in nature that we use. We use water, food, air, plants, and energy. What are the ways we can save them? We can save water when we take shower. Try to use less water. Turn the tap off when you are not using it. You can collect rainwater in buckets. Use it for watering your garden and washing things outside your home. We have to plant trees to help the earth. We can make compost for our gardens. That means collecting the plant material that you don't use. Compost helps your garden soil. You can collect fruit peels, vegetable peels, fish waste, and other things in a bucket and mix it into the soil. Worms will help break these things down. Worms are nature's recyclers. Did you know that trees help clean the air? Trees gives out oxygen that we need to breathe. Trees take in carbon dioxide which is not good for us. Paper comes from trees. We can use less paper. We can use both sides of papers to write. This will help save some trees. We can save energy in many ways. We can turn off lights when not needed. We can turn off TVs and computers when no one is using them. There are many ways to take care of our earth. You are the earth's most important natural resource. So, children, let's get united and work to keep our Mother Earth clean, safe, and green. We can do this by making some simple changes in our life, by segregating our waste and following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. I hope you all will try to share this information in your family, to your neighbors and friends, and make them a responsible human being. Thank you.